Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are in Brno, which is the second largest city in Czech Republic. Let's go and explore this town and see what interesting things it has to offer. Let's go. Wow, that has got to be one of the oldest post office I've ever seen before. Wow. Apparently they have a really old elevator in here. Wow. Oh my, this looks really old. Aha, look, it's here.
No, please. Please,
That's it, jo?
Еще один хлеба,
Nemám.
Хлеба мало.
Promiň. They have some shops downstairs in the underground as well in Brno. Wow, they got some sunglasses here, cool t-shirts. Oh, this one looks good. And they have a grand hotel here in Brno. So I'm now just stationary at the main... Proč? Co se stalo?
Да, кушай надо.
Nemáte jídlo? Rodina, máte rodina?
Da, tešvír.
Jo, co se stalo? Proč jsi tady?
Da, jí spát.
Spát tady?
Da.
They're actually sleeping inside. Look, they have nowhere to sleep. Nowhere to sleep. So they're taking shelter inside the bus station. The Ukrainian Gypsies. Ale proč? Yo?
Andre the Traveler.
Yes, I'm Andre Traveler.
So we're such a big fans.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
Aha, dobre.
Můžeme fotku?
Ano.
Jo, tak může. Jo. I'm really sorry to bother.
Never mind, go for it. I'm used to it.
I do not have any cash. No, nemám cash.
Awesome. I guess you want one as well? Yeah? Alright, let's go.
It's such a big honor, sir.
Alright, man. Have a good one. Take it easy, yeah? Cool.
Thank you. Bye.
Alright, let's go. Some fight?
Stop it. Stop it.
Good. Huh?
Because this will be not good.
Looks like there's a little beef thing. A beef thing going on here in Brno. That church is really beautiful. What's up, man? Yeah, man. Ciao. What's up? You good?
What's up?
Ciao. What's up? The man, them. You rapping? You rapping?
Ja!
Go! Mix! Yo. Tupac, yo! Yeah! What's up? Yo! Shout out the guys here. What's up?
Fuck you, mate.
What's up? Shout out the G's here.
Shut up.
Yeah, shout out the G's, you know. Where are we? Uncle Steph.
Romania.
Yo? Jo?
Just piču, more, neděli se mnou, more, teďka hudy skoro celou dobu, teďka ubere pero, neděli se mnou, já mám flow, vidíš, jak mi po tvoju hol, hej.
Ty bude frajer, nosí plínky.
Fryers, these are the fryers.
More, teďka celou dobu, teďka huby mi diky, neděli se mnou, teďka more, huby má dik, vidíš, jak to dám, more, big.
Nech mi tam
Ty vole. Jo.
Tady, poslouchej. Tady je brácho, tady je king, tady je král, vidíš, tady teďka more honikár, vidíš, jak to je do piči, tady je hory skero, celou dobu tak na můj dneska mi koří pero, neděli se mnou, já mám flow, vidíš, jak ty je tvoje show, fucking my head.
Yes. Big up the guys here.
Biggie.
Big him up.
Hej, okarandro můj.
Yeah.
Estación.
Kurava latra dan, remis like čuvava pejsandro můj.
Poslouchejte. Freda Karejana, kremaca moury, kamy, bemeku, dostanete všechny mareben. Vidíš, jak to je do piču, teďka nikdy se nezdávám piču, teďka poslouchej, já mám flow přestám, more, teďka more jako hvězda. Hej,
Ty vole.
Já mám talent, celou dobu tady poznám more teďka talent, more teďka more hraje, more bále, neděde se mnou tady jeden.
Co kouříš? What you smoking?
Smoke it.
Cigarette, yo?
Smoke. Jump.
Joint, Bob Marley joint, yeah?
Marihuana.
Yo.
Marihuana.
Everything všechno dobré? Yo? Good?
Bude cigaretu, budeme tady.
This guy, man, he's cool, yo? He's okay, yo? Dobré. Yo. No trouble, okay? We got some rappers here.
Don't tell me.
Yo, joint. Woo! Sotovoni! Yeah.
Tady je mafián.
Yo, shout out.
Král. Tady
Crowd.
honí, pozor na ty, tuto kameru, tady honíš kára, vidíš, jak to jde do piče, ty kamory, ty si běhná, vidí, banamore, teďka zabiju, namiju, půjdu, budu tě asi dneska jako zabiju.
Done. Yo, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Yeah. Shout out the guys here, man. Oh, nice. You can get some bud here as well. Skittles, gelato. Awesome. But it's CBD. Nice streets here. Really interesting. Nice architecture as well. Wow, something really interesting I've come across here in Brno. Mozart was living here in this house for 1 year. You watch my videos? Cool, man.
See you, bro. Good to see
Cool,
you.
man.
Have a good day.
Bless you too. Okay, so here we are in the main square in Brno. Here we are. This is how it looks. Hey guys, look straight ahead. This is for the Czech tradition in the May time with these colourful ribbons.
Hope someday you will find me out and do all it is wild.
How I'm good, how are you? Really? Ah, awesome. Thank you very much. Cool. So until next time, you lot, I'll catch you in the next video from Brno. Ciao.